Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kat. In case you're new here, if you are, you should go ahead and subscribe to be notified when I upload new videos. Speaking of videos, this is a tutorial on the look I'm wearing right now. It's a really simple, super easy look. It has some glitter and it's so nice. Okay, let's get on to the tutorial. So this look is super easy. I've already primed and put my foundation on. So I'm going to go in with the Tarte Tartelette palette, and I'm just going to use this color for a transition shade. So I am putting the transition shade everywhere, basically. So you put a transition shade down just so your other shadows and products have kind of a base to stick to, and it also neutralizes any discolorization. I'm also going in with the two lighter shades in the palette. These guys, just so my eyelid isn't as brown because we are going in with colors. Now I'm going in with the Sephora Pro Editorial palette. How pretty this palette is. I love it. So we're using two shades. We're going to use this white one as well as this little guy over here. I think the shade is Jeffrey. It's a really unique green color. It's really cool. So I'm going to go in with the white in the inner corner just because that is going to be where we're going to put the liner, and I want it to be noticeable. I don't want to have to put it on top of the green because putting a white base will really make it stand out. Also, I'm just kind of bringing this white up a little with the residue that's on my brush. I'm kind of bringing it up, just kind of neutralize the brown that we use a little more. Also, at the same time, I am doing my under eye as well. The white base isn't super noticeable, especially in person. On camera it looks way more noticeable, but it'll just give us a nice base and color to put the liner on top of. So now I'm going in with the green, and I'm kind of putting it everywhere else. The green is really light, so you do have to build it up. This look takes a lot of building products up. So we're using the green because the liner that we have is an iridescent color, and it does have some green sparkles in it, which is why I chose green. And it looks really cool with it. I've also done this look in pink, which is also really cool, and I actually done it, when did I do it? The 19th birthday like get ready with me video. It's in there. I done it then. There's also a picture of it on my Instagram. It was really pretty with that. I think it'd be really cool, which I'm going to do this, if you do it with like black shadow and then a silver glitter. Oh my god, I think that'd be so cool. This look is super easy, super simple. You literally need like 3 shadows and a glitter liner. You could use regular glitter as well, but glitter liner is just so easy. So I'm gonna go build this up a little and then I'll be back. And I'm also gonna put it under my eye as well. So this is where I'm at right now. I did kind of do the green and build it up off camera because it does take a few layers for that color to really be like bam in your face. I did only bring it to probably like 2/3 of the eye. I left the inner corner white just because that's where we're gonna put the liner, and also just keep going in with the white. Just kind of build it up. You don't really have to go in while you're doing the green, but definitely go in at the end. Just kind of build it up and bring back that base white color. I'm going to go in with this iridescent green shade. So originally I wasn't going to do this, but then I looked at my look before and I did do it, so I'm going to do it now. I'm just putting this in the inner corner. It'll kind of give it like a bam, a pop, and a little more dimension. So I sprayed it with Fix Plus and we shall see how it is. Oh yeah, that's definitely better. Definitely what I want. I did my brow off camera, so I'm just going to highlight on camera. I'm doing this in the viewfinder. It's really scary. I'm going in with the brush that we had the white on just to blend it out. So now we're going to go in with the liner. This is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in Distortion. This one in particular has like green, blue, and pink sparkles, and whatever shadow color you pair it with will really bring out that color. We're going in with the glitter liner, and this part is super easy. You're just going to draw it onto your eye. I do it kind of to the crease, and I don't go necessarily in the crease. Where my eye starts to crease is where I stop it, just because I don't really want it to go above. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. And I definitely go beyond the white and onto the green a little just to kind of mesh them a little more. And I'm not too neat with how far I go. Some strands I like bring it further. I just think it looks cooler like that instead of it just being a straight line. It's kind of jagged, which I think is really cool. I don't know if it's just me, but these burn my eye when I first put it on. When they're dry, they're golden, they're fine. But when I'm first putting it on, it hurts so bad. It's like, it's cool, but like it turns really cold, but like it's still burning. I don't know, it's weird. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the bottom lash line, and I'm gonna kind of bring it out to the same spot just so they kind of match up. And I brought it out to about like mid-lid. And to make sure that they match up, I always close my eye and kind of look and squint, see if they match up. This one looks like it doesn't go quite as far, but it's almost there. They definitely look like they match up there. I'm gonna add some more glitter here just to give it a little more of a bang. It's super easy to clean up the glitter if you do go too far. Just kind of take a spoolie and go like that, just like you would with mascara. That's kind of where we're at now. I'm just gonna go in on the top lid, just kind of add more glitter to the places that I feel like need more glitter. So now for the waterline, I'm going to add like a cream white liner. I hate doing this. My eyes water so bad and nothing ever stays in my waterline. So this is the look so far. All we need now is mascara, and I'm gonna go put that on and I'll be right back. So I used the, what is this? Elizabeth Arden Grand Entrance Mascara, and this is the finished look. It was super easy, pretty look. It looks so much cooler in person. It's very glam, yet still colorful. You definitely could tone it down and use a different color or use more neutral shades, but it's really, really nice and I love it. I forgot to film an outro, so I'm filming a voiceover part for this, and I just woke up, so that's why my voice is raspy and weird. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, leave a like and subscribe to be notified when I upload new videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!